Good morning, student. Today we will read Algebraic Expression and Identity. This chapter's third part. So in previous class we have already read how to do the multiplication of monomial with monomial, monomial with binomial, binomial with binomial, then trinomial with trinomial, binomial. How many terms are there? Also how to do multiplication we have already discussed in our previous video. So today we read what is an identity. So let's take an example. Suppose a plus 1 into a plus 2. So let's multiply. It is binomial with binomial. So multiply. A square plus 2a, then a plus 2, that is a square plus 3a plus 2. A square plus 3a plus 2. That means a plus 1 into a plus 2 equal to a square plus 2a plus, a square plus 3a plus 2. So this is LH side, this is RH side, right hand side, LH and left hand side, R and right hand side. Okay. So if you take the value of A, any number, suppose first you take A equal to suppose 10, any value you take, suppose A means in place of A you put the value 10, 10 plus 1 into 10 plus 2, that is 11 into 12. Your answer is 132. Again same value we put in RHS side also. Suppose here A square means 10 square plus 3 into 10 plus 2. 100 plus 30 plus 2. 132. So LH side, RHS side both are equal. So here identity is 10. Okay. So for which value the given equations satisfy or you get the same value in both LHS and RHS, then that is called identity. So such an equality means LHS side, this is RHS side. We put a value or we take any value for the variable, then you will get the same answer in both sides, LHS side and RHS side. So when an equality is true for every value of the variable is called identity. So it is called identity. Okay. But everywhere that is, so it is an identity. So it for 10 it is true. So it is called an a plus 1 plus a plus 2 equal to a square plus 3a plus 2. It is called an identity. But for everything it is not possible. When LHS side and RHS side is not equal value, then that is not called an identity. Suppose here we get 132. Okay. Suppose a square plus 3a plus 2 equal to 132. You get this equation? Okay. If we change the number for a, suppose a equal to minus 5. So take number minus 5 square plus 3 into minus 5 plus 2. Only LHS side you see. So here what? 100 minus 125 minus 15 plus 2. That is minus 140 plus, minus 5 square is 25. Here minus 3 minus 5 minus 15 plus 2. So here 10 plus 2 equal to 12. But the right hand side is 132, left hand side is 12. So it is not called an identity. So when LHS side and RHS side you have the equal value or the equality, then that is called identity. So some standard identity. We read about some standard identity. So there must be LHS side equal to RHS side, then for which value, then that is called identity. So some standard identity. So standard, and there are 3 or 4 standard identities. Suppose we can get the identity by multiplying binomial with binomial. Suppose A plus B into A plus B. Okay, we multiply here A plus B into A plus B. That is multiply A square plus AB plus BA plus B square. You get what? A square plus 2AB plus B square. So here A plus B into A plus B into A plus B square. So this is the formula, one identity. When A plus B whole square given, you can directly put that A square plus 2AB plus B square. So it is first identity, that is A plus B whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. In algebraic it is maybe first formula. To solve in the next video or in next exercises, we have to solve by using the formulas. Okay, it is called identity. So first is A plus B whole square equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Then next is multiply A minus B with A minus B. Okay, so same thing, A square minus AB minus BA plus B square. Then A square minus 2AB plus B square. So here what, left side A minus B whole square. Simply I multiplied here. Okay, so A minus B. Next identity is A minus B whole square equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. So A plus B whole square what? A square plus B square plus 2AB. What is difference between A plus B and A minus B whole square? Here plus 2AB, here minus 2AB, but A square plus B square. Okay. Then next is, next identity, A plus B into A minus B. Okay. A plus B into A minus B. You solve it. A square minus AB. Okay. Then here what? Plus AB minus B square. So plus AB minus AB. Cancel. Okay. Here minus, here plus. Cancel. You got A square minus B square. Third formula, third identity. That is A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. Directly, if there is formula is A plus B into A minus B, then directly you can put A square minus B square. Okay. Then next one is, suppose x plus A into x plus B. Okay. This formula, x plus A into x plus B. Then multiply x square plus xb plus ax plus xb. Okay. Multiply x square plus xb, ax plus ab. Okay, ab. Understand? Then x square in this two, axb plus ax. So you find the common x plus x, a plus b plus ab. This is another identity. That is, suppose x plus a into x plus b, then your formula will be x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. So this four identities you have to remind to for solve the different problems. So different problems based on this problem. First one is a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. If a plus b into a minus b, then your formula is a square minus b square. If there is x plus a into x plus b, then x square plus x into a plus b plus ab. Then applying identity. Suppose here given 2x plus 3y whole square. Okay, that is, you know formula what? A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here also complete 2x you take a. Okay, here 3y is b. So what formula here? A plus b whole square formula. So what do you know the formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Then a square means here completely 2x. 2x square plus 2ab. 2ab means 2 into a what? 2x, b what? 3y plus b square. 3y square. Applying identity. Like this you will identity. Apply the identity to solve the given problems. First you have to look at the question which identity will be applied there. Okay. So here 2x square means 2 2 is 4 x square plus 2 2 is 4 3 is you multiply. How to multiply? Already I have told that monomial with monomial. 2 2 is 4 3 is 12 xy plus 3 3 is 9 here y square. So this will be your answer. Okay. Then another, suppose 4p minus 3q square. So this is what? A minus b whole square. This is suppose a, this is b. Okay. So a minus b whole square, what is your formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square is 4p square minus 2 into 4p into 3q ab plus b square, that is 3q square. Okay, b is 3q. You will not say that is minus 3q. Minus 3q also, you when you square you get the plus. So plus 3q. So 4p square means 16 p square minus 2 4 is 8 3 is 24 pq plus 9q square. Yeah, that is the answer. Now this question look, 3 by 2m plus 2 by 3n into 3 by 2m minus 2 by 3n. Here look which identity is applied here. So not only the left side will be given, right side also may be given in the question. So you have to convert into left side. So according to convenient we use this identity to solve the given problems. So here suppose this A, this B, again this is A, this B, A plus B into A minus B, that means this formula. Okay, so you know A plus B into A minus B means A square minus B square. Okay, A plus B into means A square minus B square. So here A is 3 by 2 m square minus 2 by 3 n square. So 3 3 is 9 by 4 m square minus 2 2 is 4 by 3 3 is 9, 4 by 9 and this will be your answer. Suppose another question is there. Suppose 983 square minus 7 square. So if you multiply 983 into 983 or 17 in 17, it may be time taking. So you know formula a square minus b square. Left side I say this is given. Suppose it is a, it is b. So this is given, you have to take it. Okay. So a, it is b. So a square minus b square, we know that what? A plus b into a minus b. So 983 plus 17 into 983 minus 17. Okay. Here when you add you get 1000 into 966. So now it is 1966 means what? 966 30. You got the answer. If you multiply, it will take more time. So there is identities are there to solve the given problems quickly and intelligently. Okay. Then another last formula. Suppose 501 into 502. Okay, 501 into 502. So it is which formula? 500 plus 1 into 500 plus 2. So which formula it is? Suppose it is x plus a, it is again x plus b. X plus a into x plus b formula. So which this is last one. By using identity means you will do like this. X plus a into x plus b. So according to your formula what? X square. First one is 500 square. Okay. Then plus into x means 500 into a plus b. Which is a? Here a is 1, b is 2, 1 plus 2. Okay. Plus ab. A what? Again 1 into 2. Okay. I applied formula here. X plus b means x square plus x into a plus b into plus ab. So first x is 500. Here look, this is. Okay, 500 to 500 square plus x into x means again 500. A plus b. Here a is 1, b equal to 2. Then AB, A into B, that is A into 2. Now find 5 5 ja 25, 4 zeros, plus 500 into 1 plus 2, 3, plus 1 plus 2, 1 into 2, 2. Okay. So add now 25, 4 zeros, plus here 5 3 ja 1500 plus 2. Okay, so add now 2 0 5 1 25. Your answer will be 251502. Okay, this is your answer. So like this you try to apply the identity to solve the problems. Okay. So you must remind these 4 formulas, these 4 identities to apply in the question, given question, and solve the question. Okay. So you have to check first. You read the question thoroughly. Then you first try to understand the which formula or which identity will be applied. Maybe sometimes given left side type or right side type, you apply the proper question. I think you can easily solve the problems by using the identity. So this is all about today's video. Thank you.